This is Parviz Malakouti, and in this video I'm going to show you how to look up if somebody is a lawyer in the state of California. And if you're not from California, hold on, I'm going to talk about what to do to look up a lawyer if you're from another state. So let's get into it. First step, we're going to go to google.com. We're going to look up the California State Bar. That is the licensing authority for lawyers in the state of California. So this is the website. We're going to go actually directly to the page. Oops, actually not attorneys. We're going to go directly to the page that says attorney search. And here it says enter licensee name or licensee number. So I am an attorney in California. My name is Parviz Malakouti. So I'm going to look up my name. And this is very important. If you are dealing with a lawyer and you're thinking about signing with a lawyer, you need to look up the lawyer to, first of all, make sure that it's actually a real lawyer you're dealing with and not somebody pretending to be a lawyer. And secondly, you want to look up if that lawyer has a record of disciplinary action, so that if they have been disciplined previously, you can look into that and basically know what you're getting into. Believe it or not, this is actually a very common issue in especially the field of immigration. Immigration law, there are a lot of people that are masquerading as lawyers, trying to sign people, and they're not lawyers. So anyway, let's get down to it. I clicked in Malakouti, we show two search results. One is Parviz Malakouti, that is me, and Payam Malakouti, that is not me. So I like my name, let's click on me, Parviz Malakouti. So this brings us to the attorney licensee profile. We have a lot of really useful information here. First of all, you get to see my bar number right here. And down here, this is important. You get to see license status active. So this shows that I am actively an attorney right now. I'm licensed to practice law in the state of California. Shows my address, telephone number, down here, email address. It even shows what law school I went to, University of Miami. Shout out to UM. And then down here, you get to see what year and actually the exact date that I was licensed. I was licensed on October 3rd, 2013 in California. And here, discipline and administrative action. This is very, very important. So this is where any disciplinary action that was taken against an attorney would be listed if there has been disciplinary action. Luckily for me, I've never been disciplined by the state of California, so nothing shows up here. But if you actually look up an attorney that has been disciplined, it will definitely show up there. Okay, so that's how you look up an attorney in the state of California. I would say the two most important pieces of information when you're looking up an attorney is A, make sure that they actually show up, that there's a profile for them, which shows you that they are a lawyer in the state of California. And B, check out their disciplinary action to make sure that they haven't been disciplined, or if they have been disciplined, so what the details were so you can look into it. So now, that's it for California. Going back to what I mentioned earlier, what happens if you are not from California? Well, luckily, most states in the United States have a website that is exactly like the one I just showed you, in which you can look up the attorney in that state. So let's look up Nevada State Bar. Okay, so we go to Nevada State Bar, and then it has find a lawyer. Okay, and we click on that and you see it's very similar. It looks a little bit different, but basically allows you to search for an attorney. Okay. Let's look up Florida State Bar. Okay, so we look up the Florida State Bar, we go here, and it shows find a lawyer. Okay, now here, again, looks a little bit different, but the crux of it's the same. You can put in the first name and last name of a lawyer and find them. So basically, if you're from a state other than California, Nevada, or Florida, you just go to Google and just type in the name of your state followed by the words state bar. And that's how you look up somebody and verify that they are actually an attorney. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel.